Hello everyone, welcome you all for the Unacademy YouTube channel. Let's crack GATE and ESE Mechanical Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about the gears and gear trains previous year questions part 2. Already in the part 1, we have discussed few questions in the previous video. In this video and the remaining questions in the gears and gear trains previous year questions will be discussed in detailed manner. We are moving to the questions directly in this today's session. Yes, today's question, first question, it's a GATE 2009 Mechanical Engineering 2-mark question. An epicyclic gear train is shown schematically I will open the slide again. Sorry, unfortunately slide closed. Again it's opening. Okay, the first previous year question in this today's session we are going to discuss. Gears and gear trains previous year questions. Yes, epicyclic gear train shown schematically in the adjacent figure. The sun gear 2 on the input shaft. Sun gear 2 on the input shaft. It has 20 teeth external gear. So here sun gear. So we are considering it as gear 2 is sun gear. Okay. Gear 2 is sun gear. Therefore, the values I am giving it N2, T2. N2 speed we need to take, number of teeth they have mentioned as 20. Number of teeth on the sun gear, it's T2, it's equal to 20 teeth. Equal to the 20 teeth. The planet gear 3 is 40 teeth external. Panel gear it's T3. T3 is equal to, it's completely 40 teeth. 40 teeth. It's an external one, right? Good morning. Then planet gear 40, the ring gear 5, it's an internal gear T5. T5, it's an internal gear 100 teeth. The ring gear is fixed. Ring gear is fixed, that is T5, N5. N5, speed in the gear 5, 0. And gear 2 is rotating. Gear 2, the speed of the gear 2, it's an N2, it's rotating 60 rpm counterclockwise direction. 60 rpm counterclockwise. Counterclockwise means it's a plus N2. The arm attached to the output shaft will rotate it. Then how many rpm and as well as in which direction. So this is what we need to identify. So what we are going to do here, we are going to follow the tabulation method. So what kind of tabulation method we are going to form in this part? I will explain the things one by one. Listen, you will get some idea. Yes, in the tabulation method, I will show the details one by one. First, step 1 and operations we need to do. Then speech in the table and revolutions of the elements. First one, revolutions of the elements, and followed by speech in the each element. Speech in the each element. There are 4: gear 2, arm, gear 2, gear 3, gear 5. Right? 3-step process we need to take. 3-step process we need to take. And what will be that particular 3-step process? What will be this particular 3-step process? Okay, I will show the things one by one. You will get some idea. First, serial number and operations we need to do. Operations, revolutions of the elements, and followed by revolutions of the elements. Revolutions of the elements. First one, always we need to take arm. Arm, here it's a 4th one is the arm. Arm, that is called as speed of N4. Then sun gear, and gear 2 it's N2. Gear 3 it is N3. Gear 5 it's N5. So this is what we need to identify from the basic. Okay, I will explain the things one by one, then you will get some idea about this question. Here first we are starting with the first operation. Yes sir, क्या है TOM lecture? Yes, it's a TOM theory of machines. I am handling the complete theory of machines in the plus platform. Okay, already I have completed the course for the 2023. Again, the new course will be started in the month of October. Okay, operations. I will show the operations one by one. And coming to the point, set serial number 1, 2 as well as 3. Here there are 3-step process, right? So what are the 3 steps? First one, fix the arm. Fix the arm and give +1 revolution. Fix the arm and give the +1 revolution to the shaft. Fix the arm and give gear 2 and give gear 2 +1 revolution counterclockwise. So we are fixing the arm. We are fixing the arm. Then I am giving the counterclockwise direction. I am giving the counterclockwise direction rotation for the particular shaft. Is it okay? In the part of counterclockwise, I will show the things one by one. The revolutions of the elements, and it's a +1. And gear 2 and gear 3, they are messing externally. Gear 2 as well as gear 3, they are messing each other externally. Then what we need to do, I will show you. They are messing externally. They are messing externally, and coming to the external part, we will show the details one by one. And now N3 divided by N2, so it's a minus. Minus, they are messing externally, so it's a minus. N3 divided by N2, it's minus T2 divided by T3. N3 is equal to, N2 is equal to +1, so minus T2 divided by T3, minus T2 divided by T3. Now gear 3 and 5, they are messing internally. So now the N5 divided by N3 is equal to, they are rotating in the same direction, T3 divided by T5. What will be the N5? It's equal to N3 into T3 divided by T5. Now I am giving it N5 is equal to minus T2 divided by T3 into T3 divided by T5. If you simplify it, minus T2 divided by T5, minus T2 divided by T5. Is it okay now? Unknown channel. Anna neenga Tamil Nadu. Yes, I am Sathyamoorthy, GATE ESE Unacademy platform. So here the photo was mismatched. It mentioned as behind the no. Here I am Sathyamoorthy, GATE ESE Unacademy platform. Yes, I am from Tamil Nadu only. Unga name in unknown channel. So we have typed in Tamil. Okay, fine. Next, what we need to do? Multiply x with all elements. And it's 0 into x 0. It's x minus x T2 divided by T3 minus x. The things I am giving one by one. Minus x, then T2 divided by T5. Next, add plus y and find the add plus y. Look at this condition. It's a GATE 2009 2-mark question. Add plus y and find total motion. And find total motion. Is it okay now? Now it's y, x plus y, y minus x, T2 divided by T3, T2 divided by T3. Is it clear now? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, fine. Sir, when will TOM course start? In the month of August, Kangi Shaku. In Unacademy Plus platform, it will be started. Theory of machines. Okay. Now, y minus x, T2 divided by, it's T5. Y minus x, T2 divided by T5. Is it okay? Now, they have mentioned the value N5 is equal to 0, N2 is equal to 60. N5 is equal to 0. I am giving the equations, and N2 is equal to 60. n2 is equal to 60. n2 is equal to 60, that is x plus y. X plus y is equal to 60. It's equation 1. Next, n5 is equal to 0. Y minus x, it's t3 divided by t5, I think. So t2 divided by t5. t2 divided by t5, it's equal to 0. What will be the value of y? We don't know. Y minus x into t2 divided by t5. 20 divided by 100. 20 divided by 100. It's equal to 0. If you simplify, it's a 5, right? So 5y minus x, it's equal to 0. It's equation 2. Now solve the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 plus 2. What will be the value? Minus plus x. It's in plus x plus y. It's equal to 60. Okay. Next, minus x plus 5y, it's equal to 0. What will be the value? If you cancel it, 6y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 10 rpm. 10 rpm, what we need to calculate? So we need to identify the shaft 4. N4 is equal to, what will be the N4? N4 is equal to y. N4 is equal to y. It's equal to 10 rpm. If it is plus 10 rpm, counterclockwise direction. Okay, unknown. Radhika, hello. I'm from Nijapur. Okay, very good. Guys, I'm starting the complete theory of machines course for the GATE aspirants. Already the complete course on engineering mathematics already I have started. Okay, and in this month 13th, couple of days before, I have started the complete course on engineering mathematics. It's common for all department. I'm handling the complete engineering mathematics in the platform. Okay, now it's 10 rpm. Yes or no? It belongs to the 10 rpm. 10 rpm counterclockwise direction. It's option A is the right solution. Okay. And now Unacademy, tomorrow you're going to avail the biggest compact test. Major League 2.0 you're going to avail. So one more thing, you can watch the complete live classes in the platform. And one more thing, Unacademy Path Kilo Crack Hero series going on in the platform, July 1 to 30. Learn with top educators from July 1 to 30. Mechanical engineering, concepts based learning for each subject. Take a quiz and check your preparation. Take a quiz and check your preparation. Top the leaderboard and get the featured on the YouTube channel. Get featured on the YouTube channel. Enroll now itself. Now you can watch my free classes. Free classes curated by the India's top educator, Sathyamoorthy V. You can scan the QR code to watch the special classes. Link in this description below. Right, most watched classes. Okay, so you can get it. And install the Unacademy Learning app and try to come into the special class live class. Special class live classes. And in the Unacademy platform, Major Compact League, GATE and ESE Major Compact 2.0, guarantee scholarship test, mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics and communication and CSIT. 20 questions, 60 minutes. Rank 1 scholarship 90%. Rank 2 to 5 scholarship 70%. And rank 6 to 15. Rank 6 to 15, you can avail the 50% scholarship. Rank 16 to 50, 30%. Rank 51 to 200, 25% scholarship in the Unacademy platform. July 17th, 12 p.m. Use the code Moorthy536. Use the code Moorthy536. Enroll for free. Okay, and you can take the test, live test, either through the web browser or through the Android mobile phone. Lakshya batch for the GATE 2023. July 14. Already we have started it day before yesterday. Bilingual batch D. So we have started the fluid mechanics by Devendra Singh Nehi at 8 p.m. and Praveen Kulkarni, Devendra Singh Nehi, S.K. Mandal, Marut Tiwari, J.S. Gill, Ajay Singh, Gaurav Babu. So you can get the complete aptitude. Okay, aptitude and manufacturing subjects. Here you can get TOM, Theory of Machines, upcoming classes, and Mathematics. Mathematics completely from Sathyamoorthy sir and Saurav Kumar Pandey, Mamageshwar Rao, Sarod Thakur, Aman Raj, Shreyas. Okay, so you can get the complete benefits. So we have started with the fluid mechanics by Devendra Singh Nehi. Pragati batch for the GATE 2024, July 14, bilingual mechanical. It's 8 p.m. Murthy 536. Use the code Murthy 536 to enroll the batch. And features of the Unacademy subscriptions. Top educators. Doubt clearing, raise a hand in live class, special doubt clearing class, ask a doubt feature available, study notes available, test series available, physical notes, 1:1 live mentorship program, strategy and study program, live audio interactions during open house. Completely live audio interactions during the open house. Then GATE and ESE mechanical and chemical price hike coming soon. Hurry, subscribe before the price hike to save the big. Okay, use the code. Use code Murthy 536. Use the code Murthy 536. Right. Now the special class features. Attend the live classes, participate in the live chat and get your doubts cleared all during the class. The live interactive class is available. Then respond to the polls for better understanding of topic and talk to your educator in live classes and get your doubts resolved in the real time. Get notified for the lessons, upcoming courses and recommendations curated by just for you. Download the lecture notes and get access to the recorded sessions of the live classes, and you can revisit the classes also. The one more thing, you can attend the classes anytime, anywhere. Okay, from your comfortable place, you can watch the classes live through the Android mobile phone. And Unacademy subscription. Now, 1 year subscription 39,265. If you take the iconic 52,000, use the code Murthy 536. Is it okay now? Okay. Then join to the Telegram channel, Sathyamoorthy Unacademy channel. Join with us in Telegram for the homework and the class notes, the personal guidance, get one-on-one guidance from the top experts, live classes, weekly test, iconic and plus. In the plus, live classes, weekly test, structured courses, unlimited access. Apart from the plus, in iconic, personal guidance through the iconic, personal guidance, study planner, test analysis, study material and the experts guidelines. So these are all the benefits you are getting through the iconic subscription. Then one more thing. So we are discussing few more questions in this part. I will show you what kind of benefits you can avail through the Unacademy. Next question. Yes, a compound gear train with the gears P, Q, R, S, the number of teeth are respectively, that is TP, number of teeth and the P is equal to 20. So we can write the given data 1 by TQ is equal to 40. TQ is equal to 40. Then TR is equal to 15. And TS is equal to, it's 20. 20, 40, 15, 20 respectively. Yes, Q and R mounted on the same shaft as shown in the figure below. Q and R, it's a compound. It's a compound gear. Q and R, it's completely compound gear. Is it okay? Compound gear. Next, we will explain the details. The diameter of Q is twice that of the gear R. Diameter of Q, that is twice that of R, and diameter of Q is equal to twice the diameter of R. If the module of the gear R is, the module of the gear R is 2 millimeter. Module of gear R, module of gear R, it's equal to 2 millimeter. Then center distance in between the P and S. So what will be the center distance in between the P and S? So this is what we need to identify. Then how to identify the center distance in between the P and S? Center distance, yes, it's a very simple. Center distance in between the P and S. For that we need to identify the diameter for each. Diameter for the each. And diameter of R is equal to module into number of teeth. Module is equal to 2 millimeter into number of teeth, it's 15, it's equal to 30. Next, diameter of S. What about the diameter of S? Module into TS. It's 2 into 20, it's equal to 40. Is it okay now? Now we need to identify the speed. We need to identify the speed of the R. Speed of R we need to identify. Then how to identify the speed of the R? If the speed of the R and Q both are same, speed of the R and Q both are same, in terms of NS we need to calculate the ratio, right? Next we need to identify the module of PRQ. Module of PRQ. So the diameter we have identified already. Now we need to identify the diameter of R. The speed of Q as well as R. Speed of Q as well as speed of R are equal. I will show you the things one by one. Excuse me. Yes, speed of Q and R equal. What will be the Q divided by? So we can take SQ divided by SR is equal to diameter of. So we can take directly diameter of SR divided by DR divided by DQ. So this is what. Now speed of these two equal. Speed of these two equal. Yes or no? SQ is equal to SR. SQ is equal to SR. Right? So from this condition, now substitute dr divided by dq. Dr divided by dq, it's equal to 1. Now dr dr, sorry, excuse me, speed only is same, not yes, only the speeds are same, right? So then we need to identify the speed of the shaft module and everything we are aware of it. So we need to identify the speed of R. So how to identify the speed of R? If you know any one of the speed, then we can identify the remaining. The center distance in between the shafts we need to calculate. So diameter we have calculated dr as plus dq. Module of the mating gears are same, but the speed different, right? Here q and r different. Speed of SQ is equal to SR. SQ is equal to SR, that is dr divided by dq, dr divided by dq. Speed they are given, it's equal. Now we can mention it as it's equal to dr divided by dq, dr divided by dq. But R and S, they are rotating in the same direction. R and S, they are rotating in the same direction. Is it okay now? Is it clear? R and S, they are rotating in the same direction. So it's a plus. So based on this method, dr divided by dq, dr divided by dq, it's equal to dr divided by dq. Now we need to identify the diameter of Q. What will be the diameter of Q? dq is equal to dq, it's equal to dr into dq divided by dr. Diameter of the part, it's 30 into dq divided by dr. dq is equal to 40 divided by 15. 40 divided by it's 15. What will be the value? It's equal to 80, diameter of dq. If you know the diameter of dq, we know the module of q is equal to diameter of dq divided by yes, number of teeth on the dq. Diameter is equal to 80 and dq is equal to 40. dq is equal to it's 40. What will be the value? Oh, we are getting same again. I think little bit mistake. I will check it once again. And the mating gears are having the same same module. So R and S module same. R and S module same. So diameter is equal to module into number of teeth. It's m into tr. It's 30. M into ts. It's equal to 40. Okay. This we have identified. Next, speed of the R and Q equal. Speed of the R and Q, it's equal, right? So the speed of the R and Q equal, but module different. Module different. So we need to identify the module for the next. Speed equal, but module different. Yes, 1 second I will give it. Yes, speed of, that is nq, it's equal to nr. We can mention it as n, speed. nq divided by nr is equal to, we can take it directly, minus, they are rotating in same direction, tr divided by tq. Tr divided by tq. That is dr divided by dq. It's a condition. Speed, it's equal. Speed, it's equal. nq divided by nr. nq divided by nr, it's equal speed. It does not vary. It does not vary. Yes or no? Now, next we need to calculate. nr s plus ns. nr divided by ns is equal to, we are messing externally, minus TS divided by TL minus TS divided by TL. In terms of NS, we need to calculate. In terms of NS, we need to calculate. Same. Now NQ is equal to NR. Oh, sorry. It's not possible, right? Once again. Sorry, it's a gear or here, yes, they are missing externally. They are missing externally. And if you consider the value, I will give the things one by one. Okay. Now N, S, S or R. Yes, NS divided by NR is equal to, they are missing externally, minus TR divided by TS. Minus TR divided by TS. Is it clear now? Now give the speed ratio for the NS divided by NR. Minus TR divided by TS. Minus TR 15 divided by 20. Minus 15 divided by 20. Yes. Now NR is equal to, what will be the NR? NR is equal to minus 20 divided by 15 into NS. It's in speed ratio, right? Yes or no now? Is it clear? We can write the one more thing. NS divided by, that is NR divided by NS is equal to DS divided by DR. DS divided by DR. One more thing we can give, DS divided by DR. 40 divided by 30. 40 divided by 30. Yes or no? NR divided by NS. So there are two things we are getting. Now equate these two things. So directly we can get the values one by one. So how we are getting the value? Now NQ as plus NR equal. Speed of the NQ as plus NR equal. The module of the gear B as plus Q same. Yes or no? The module of the gear B and Q equal. Now Q I am giving it. NR is equal to NQ. NR is equal to NQ. The speed, it does not vary. Speed, it does not vary. So we can take it. We can take the value directly. In case if you assume and speed is equal to 1. If you assume speed is equal to n, if ns is equal to 1, what will be the nr? What will be the nr? nr is equal to minus 20 divided by 15. If ns is equal to 1, if n is equal to 1, nr is equal to minus 20 divided by 15. If nr equal, nq same. nq same. nq is equal to minus 20 divided by 15. Minus 20 divided by 15. And if you know the value of this part, nq